quick video on how to replace the wheel on your i7 iRobot. You can tell when your wheel's bad, it just spins around on one wheel, it won't go straight, and it throws a error code. I actually had to call iRobot, and they figured out which wheel it was. They knew by looking up my account, and they sent me a new wheel, no problem. So here it is, brand new wheel. There is right and left, so you want to make sure you get the right one, but they sent me the right one. It was no big deal. You can tell it looks like the same wheel. There's just a few screws. It's a pretty easy job. I think they were I can't remember what they were. I think they were star bits actually, or Phillips. Anyway, I think there's 5 or 6 right here. You can see I'm pointing them out. And just unscrew them. I think they're all the same screw, so no big deal. They come out pretty easy. And don't forget the green side sweeper screw that's on there. You'll see. I missed it the first time and got it. And then you just take off the small, it's really kind of a thin back panel here. Comes right off, no problem. You'll see. And set that aside. And there it is. There's your wheel. So it's only held on by 2 small screws. And you can see there's one right here, and then there's one just to the left of it. If you hold up your new wheel and look at the holes and the little screws they give you, it'll make sense to you, and it's pretty easy. There's just 2 quick little screws here. And out pops the wheel. Pretty easy. It's kind of just a unit. New one just slides back in right where it was. Screw in those 2 screws that you took out. Kind of the reverse process of taking it apart here. Pretty self-explanatory. Replace the 6 screws in the back. Well, I guess put on the panel and then replace the 6 screws. And that's really all there is to it. There's the new wheel all installed. Looks pretty good. And then if you put it down and press clean, you'll notice a difference right away. It'll just take off like normal. And there you go. Hope it helped.